Michael here, and welcome back to another episode of programming. So far we've done events, motion, looks, sound, and pen blocks. Now we're not gonna do. We're gonna skip data and more blocks for now. I don't want it to get too confusing and too hard. Okay, so let's start off with control. So control. Let's start off with the first blocks. Wait 1 second. It's like a delay. Wait 1 second. Yeah, you can change the number. Wait, no, not letters. Yeah, just like that. Repeat 10 times. Repeats whatever blocks are in this section or whatever's in there, like show, think. Yeah, repeat that 10 times. Forever repeats it forever. If. Okay, so this is called an if statement. An if statement is saying you need to put one of the sensing blocks. Yeah, this will probably end up as a long video because we're gonna be using if statements, and then we could be using this and this with those if statements. So yeah, so it's saying if we go to sensing, it's gonna be so there's this touching thing. So we could put it as if touching mouse, actually edge. So it's saying if touching edge, then do whatever blocks are in here. Okay, so then it's if touching edge, then if on edge, then down. So I'll just move it there, and yeah, I can't really do anything. Good. So this is another if statement, except combined with a else statement. So it's pretty much meaning if else statement. So let's do this. Now I haven't taught you any of this, so I'm gonna use equal. So we're gonna use these variables. Wait, I'm just gonna do all of it, and I'm gonna explain. Exposition. Negative 124. I know this might look like something, I don't know, hard. Not really, but when you learn it, it isn't. So it's basically saying if this, oh wait, what? If this cat Sprite's X position is 124 and Y position is 74, then do whatever code is in here. I mean blocks are in there. So then change X by 10. But the else part means otherwise. Then if we put nothing in here, then it just means do nothing. So this means if X position equals negative 124 and Y position is equal to 74, then change X by 10. Otherwise, then do nothing. So yeah, it just moved 10 pixels to the right. Yeah. So more on. What? Let's continue. I mean, wait. So this block waits until condition is true, then runs the blocks below. So what it means by condition, what this thing like sensing or operators, whatever thing goes in here is called a conditional. So waits until this conditional is true, then runs the blocks below. Okay? And then repeat until. This basically means So I'm just gonna do this real quick until I'm just gonna do this like not much. Wait, X position. I'm pretty sure you're not getting what I'm saying right now. So if X position is 168, now so 100. Yeah, change aspect. So let's do it like this. So it's basically saying repeat whatever blocks are in here until the cat's X position is equivalent to 168. So it'll keep moving. Oops, what's that line? And then, well, yeah, I don't think it really hit 168. Wait, did it? Forget it, but at least you know what it's done. Repeats blocks that follow until condition is true. Yes, so if this conditional is true, then stop doing everything. Oops, what did I... Yeah, so stop all just stops all scripts in all sprites. So stop all stops everything, all scripts in all sprites and backdrops. Well, I'm not so sure about backdrops, but stop the script. I'll explain this. Come on. Oh wait, what am I doing? Duplicate each. Oh, what? So each of these are called scripts. There are 3 of them so far, and then stop this scripts only stops what this whole script, but stops other scripts in this sprite, then stops like all scripts only in just this sprite. Well, other sprites, yeah. And then when we move on, I'll just get when I receive starts. When I start as clone, tells a clone what to do once it is created. So this cat sprite will start as a clone, and it tells what to do when it has been started. Create clone of myself will creates a clone of temporary duplicate of the specified sprite. So of myself, it creates a clone of myself or other sprites. And then delete this clone will obviously deletes the current clone. Yeah, so that's all we've learned for control. And let's go over the sensing. So if this is touching mouse pointer or edge, like if we had another sprite, like let's create a new one. I'm just gonna make a solid thick black line, and yeah, there we go. So it's space. We could go like when I receive start. Now if I were you, well, yeah, I put most of my if statements in forever, because if we just do it without the forever, then it'll forever loop. Yeah, by the way, loops are blocks that repeat things. If statements, like it'll only do it once, like right the millisecond it starts. Run this once, and then when it's let me just add something. So if wait. Yeah, so if touching, so it's basically saying if touching sprite 2, then point towards mouse pointer. So it's saying if it is touching this solid thick black line, then it starts to point towards mouse pointer, but it only does that once, right away, and it won't work anymore after it finishes. So we need to put it in forever so that it does it correctly. And then now that it's touching it, oh my god. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So then sensing. It's saying if touching a color, let's choose black, then point towards mouse pointer. Yeah. If a certain color is touching a certain color, then do this. Like the orange part of the leg is touching the black part of this, then do something. Distance to, not really a variable, doesn't give you the value. Distance reports distance from the specific sprite or mouse pointer. So it's saying like if we do this or sprite, the variable's value, distance to, like the variable's value is the distance from sprite, the solid thick black line, to the cat. And ask what's your name, and wait. So if we do this, then it asks what's your name, and then you have to write an answer, and that answer is gonna be the answer variable. So if we check this, there is no answer. So I'll just put in my name, Michael, and then check, and then the answer is Michael. Okay. Now this. If key is so it's basically saying if the space key is pressed, I'm just gonna tell it to move up 10 pixels. So it's like, yeah, there we go. If mouse down, so it means if you click on the mouse, then it changes Y by 10. What? Wait, I want it to go to this, and then if mouse down, yeah, it's going up. You just can't see it moving. It doesn't move when it's on the edge. And then mouse X is the X position of the mouse. Mouse Y is the Y position of mouse. Loudness. Loudness reports the volume from 1 to 100 of sounds detected by the computer microphone. Okay. Video motion on the sprite. What? I don't think I've learned this before. Senses how much motion or direction is currently in the video image. Wait, senses how much motion or direction. Yeah, on this sprite, okay. Turn video on. It either turns the video on or off, or turns the video camera on. Oh, or on flipped. Video motion on. Yeah. Set video transparency to 50%. Sets the video transparency. Yeah, so here's examples. Like 50% is the background, like I don't know, video. Then it's 50% transparent, and the 80% is way like invisible, non-visible, whatever. And then timer is probably reports the value of timer in seconds. Reset timer obviously resets the timer to 0. X position. So it's asking like X, like saying what is the X position of sprite 1? That's the variable. Current minute. I gotta look this up. The current minute reports the current time. Yeah. Days since 2000. Like it's probably saying the year 2000. Reports the number of days since 2000. And username, it reports username of the viewer. So it's basically taking your username for your account, and then it's like over here forever. If mouse down, then say username for 2 seconds. Yeah. So yeah, this is this has been quite a long video. This is only going to be part 1. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please watch all my videos, and bye bye.